Hi again, it's me. I'm Marva from the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. In today's short video, I'm going to be giving you updates on two trees in particular. Yes, updates. The first tree is the one that you're looking at behind me. Can you tell what it is? Did you say Ackee tree? Yes, it is. Well, let's talk about it. On the last video of this Ackee tree, you saw where it was badly infested. So we had to prune it and treat it with neem oil. This is now 2 weeks later, and I can say that it is about 99% cured. So this tree appears to be on its way to being whole again. Can you see the Ackees up there? Yes, we're very pleased with the way it looks. Here are new leaves, and some of the former leaves, it was totally white with the pests. It's looking much healthier, and I think we'll have another good harvest. This tree is kind of young, meaning it only started bearing fruits November of last year, and we're now in February. So it just started out doing its thing and then became infested. Yeah. So I can say the neem oil did its job. Now, if you have not seen that video, go ahead and watch it. Or I'll just put the link down in the description and you can hear how neem oil is used and what it does for the plants. So that's the update on the Ackee tree. Now there's another tree that I want you to look at, and it's over here. Come with me. Now it's been a while since we have talked about this tree, the coconut tree. This is what it looks like today. We have some coconuts that are doing very well. Some have burnt off and fallen, but the others are doing great. Check out these right here. 4 lovely ones. They're growing, and I hope they continue to grow so that we can get some coconut water and the flesh to eat from the coconuts. So this is what is happening with this coconut tree. The second tree didn't take at all. Here it is right here. The coconuts, the little coconuts that were there fell off, and we had to trim the tree, prune the tree. So hopefully it'll become healthy again and do its thing. So that's the updates on the Ackee tree and the coconut tree. So I thank you so much again for stopping by. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time right here in the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden.